A very good morning to all. Today we are going to see part 2 of chapter 20 Universal Bodies. In the previous class we learned that what are universal bodies? The sun, moon, stars and all the planets, they all are known as universal bodies. We also learnt about the solar system. In our solar system there are 8 planets. These 8 planets they move around the sun in a fixed path known as orbit. These 8 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Jupiter is the largest and Mercury is the smallest planet. Earth is the third planet from the Sun. It is the only planet in the solar system that has life. It is also known as blue planet because 3/4 of its surface is covered with water. Children, the earth moves all the time. There are two types of earth movements. They are rotation and revolution. Let's learn about them in detail. Let us first learn what is the meaning of the term rotation. The movement of the earth on its own axis is called rotation. Can you see this picture, children? There is an orange line which is passing through the center of the earth. This is known as axis. It is an imaginary line. So, what is axis? The axis is an imaginary line that runs through the center of the earth. And when the earth moves on its own axis, this movement is called rotation. How much time does the earth take to complete one rotation? It takes 24 hours, or you can say 1 day, to complete one rotation. And this rotation of earth causes day and night. Let us discuss how rotation of the earth causes day and night. Children, as we know that the earth rotates on its axis like a top. So, when the earth rotates, one half of it faces the sun. As you can see in the picture, half part of the earth is facing the sun and it receives sunlight. This half part receives sunlight. So, it is daytime in this half part, and the other part which is not facing the sun, it is darkness on that side. So, that other side experiences night time. Now, as the earth rotates all the time, so the dark part which is experiencing night time now, when it will face the sun, it will experience daytime, and the part which was having daytime earlier, it will experience darkness, and hence it is night time in that part. So, in this way, the rotation of the earth causes day and night. Now, let us learn about the other type of movement, that is revolution of the earth. Children, while the earth rotates on its axis, it also moves around the sun in a fixed path. This fixed path is called orbit, and this movement of the earth around the sun in a fixed path is called as revolution. So, what is revolution? The movement of the earth around the sun in a fixed path is called revolution. Look at the screen. You can see the earth revolving around the sun in a fixed path. This fixed path is called orbit, and this movement of earth is known as revolution. Children, it takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete one revolution. That means earth takes 1 year to complete one revolution, and the revolution of the earth around the sun causes change in season.